Kolkata is the cultural and intellectual capital of India, and Coffee House has really contributed to this tradition. Coffee House is situated in the heart of the literary world. Located in the proximity of Calcutta University, Presidency College, the Calcutta Medical College, the Hare School, and the Sanskrit College. There are innumerable bookstores along the path of the coffee house. Large wooden doors, a time-worn staircase, opens into the big hall buzzing with noises in a haze of smoke, the Albert Hall, commonly known as Indian Coffee House. Coffee House is a place where intellectuals, politicians, novelists, film critics and students discuss everything over endless cups of coffee. Time stands still at Indian Coffee House as people taking coffee and conversation, making for what Bengalis call adda. The regulars at this place can clear the concept of adda.
That adda may be a light-hearted exchange of views, maybe very light-hearted, maybe very serious. Yeah? In serious discussions we have those philosophic, economic, sociological problems, even pure scandals. These are also juicy topics of adda.
A sip on the Coffee House signature infusion, strong dark coffee, and bite into its chicken sandwich, and realization dawns deliciously simple things of life come quite cheap. The Afghani chicken still rages on as a favorite. One can still sit here for hours without ordering anything. Nobody will ask you to get up and leave. Rather, you have the luxury to get irritated if the waiter disturbs your train of thoughts, to ask if he can get you something, and he won't mind.
I not used to see many people like this sitting down, chatting, having a talk, looking at you, peeping toms. No, there is no one there. Everybody is there and everybody is having their own kind of talk, own world, and thinking of only themselves. What to think more, man? There are so many people around us. We must think of at least one more.
Dipankar Dasgupta is one of the coffee house's elected board members. He guides the pricing strategies.
12 rupees for a single cup of coffee in this market, in this high market prices, because we are not much interested to earn profit more and more, because it is a cooperative society. Cooperative society always see the benefit of the workers, always beside that always see the benefit of the consumer.
The Coffee House of Kolkata has had the honor to see the literary figures who wrote their masterpieces in this place itself. Intellectuals like Manna De, who wrote his eponymous song Coffee House e Shei Addata Aaj Ar Nei, Soumitra Chattopadhyay, Madhavi Mukhopadhyay, Rudra Prasad Sengupta, Mrinal Sen, Ritik Ghatak, Jyoti Bosu, Profullo Sen, P.K. Banerjee, Amol Dotto, and many more renowned personalities of different fields have visited this place. The little magazine Ekhon was also discussed in this place between Soumitra Chattopadhyay and Nirmallo Acharya. The coffee house is a gateway to freedom. It is a way of life for every collegians who between their regular classes skip to coffee house to share their innermost feelings and profess love with coffee mugs in their hands. Elderly turbaned waiters in dull white uniform and green kamarband seems to be an element of remembrance of the past. There is a history of this prestigious building which dates back to 1876 when Albert Hall was founded. Later the coffee board, in order to wean away the tea drinkers and popularize this drink, started Coffee House in 1947. Gradually, it became the meeting place of people from the world of art and culture. Coffee House was divided into two groups. The upper floor was for the lords and the commoners remained downstairs. In 1958, the management wanted to close it because of the interference of the authorities but changed hands. Then Professor Nirmala Bhattacharya and the then Chief Minister Bidhan Chandra Roy took initiative to reopen the Indian Coffee House in a new manner.
Situated right opposite to Presidency College, with Calcutta University a stone's throw away, this legendary coffee house is still the haunt of students, teachers, journalists and left intellectuals too. Yet it's not like yesterday anymore. The sheen has worn away. The swanky high-end coffee joints that dot the city's landscape seems more attractive. But the new look and renovation has raised hopes with its mix of heritage and modernity. The coffee house is making another attempt to revive its hallowed past. Will it?
Coffee house shei atta agar nei kothay hariye gelo sonali bikel gulo shei agar nei la 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 coffee house shei atta agar nei kothay hariye gelo sonali bikel gulo shei agar la 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 kothay hariye gelo sonali bikel gulo shei agar